Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gaurav Kumar and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Many of you might be doing BSc Microbiology and MSc Microbiology and might be confused that what kind of jobs we can get after completion of the degree. So in today's video we will be discussing about job opportunities after BSc Microbiology and MSc Microbiology courses. The content of my presentation will include introduction, qualification requirements, employment sectors, job profiles, salary, and some of the popular job portals. Coming to the introduction, here I'll just like to briefly explain to the people who want to take up microbiology as their course in future. So microorganisms include acellular entities, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. For example, virus, bacteria, fungi and various other microscopic living forms. Microorganisms are found everywhere. Microorganisms play very important role in the Earth biosphere and contributes 50% of the biological carbon and 90% of the biological nitrogen on the Earth. And because of them only life on this planet is existing. Microorganisms also represents the largest group of organisms present on the earth. A person who studies microorganisms are known as microbiologist. So if you do a degree in microbiology, you will be called as microbiologist. Coming to the qualifications. Microbiology is a thriving field and provides good prospects for qualified people, but for that you should have a degree in microbiology. So you can get opportunities in various fields if you have BSc in microbiology, MSc in microbiology or PhD in microbiology. Now if you have such degrees, what kind of jobs you can get, in which sectors you can get in, that we will discuss further. You can get jobs into universities, pharmaceutical industries, diagnostic laboratories, hospitals, research organizations, environmental agencies, food industries, beverage industries, chemical industries, agriculture departments, airports, hotels, defense forces, and there are many more. These are just a few of them. There are many more other than this where you can get jobs. Now what kind of jobs you can get over there? So one of the most common job which you can get is the job of microbiologist. In a food industry you can join as food microbiologist. In other industries you can join as an industrial microbiologist. If it is environmental agency you can join as environmental microbiologist. If it is hospital or a diagnostic lab you can join as medical microbiologist. Similarly you can also join as quality assurance technologist, sales or technical representative, clinical and veterinary microbiologist, faculty member in various institutions, physician associates, quarantine officers, pharmacologist, food technologist, scientific laboratory technician, research assistant, clinical research associate, research scientist, and even you can also join as scientific writing expert. Other than that also there are many other possibilities which you can get into after having a degree in microbiology. The next important question comes that how much salary we will get after having a degree in microbiology. So salary package usually varied depending on four main things. First, your qualification, in which sector you are getting job, whether you have some kind of experience while you are joining a new job, and the position which you were holding in the previous job. So these four things are combinedly deciding that how much salary you will be getting. In India, the average salary for a fresher microbiologist is usually as follows. The people with BSc gets between 2 to 5 lakhs per year. People with masters gets between 3 to 6 lakhs per year, and people with PhD will get a salary between 4 lakh to 10 lakhs per year. Other than salaries, different organizations provide several perks and other benefits to their employees based on their performance. Next thing is popular job portals where you can search microbiology specific jobs. So other than Naukri.com, times.job.com, there are other portals which is exclusively for microbiology and biotechnology related jobs like Help Biotech, Biotechnica, Biotech 2020, Placement India. So on these job portals you can search relevant jobs. Even they will also give you information related to various higher education opportunities like JRF, SRF and various other postdoctoral positions. I hope all of you might have liked this information. Please like this video, share it with your friends, put your queries in comments. I'll try to answer all of them, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.